Okay, fellow Mini owners and fans, I'm going to replace the sun visor mirror lamps and convert them from the original to LED. And I looked around and I couldn't find any good videos, so I decided to do one myself. And some of the instructions were kind of weird, telling you to take out the whole unit and all this stuff, and I thought there'd be a better way, and sure enough there is. So before I go to the other one, let me show you the difference. That's the LED, obviously, and that's the original in my phone. So I'm going to start the process to replace these, and you can see how it works. Alright, for starters, I pulled the 16 fuse, number 16 fuse from the panel down there, because I did blow the fuse trying to get the bulb out the first time, and I'll show you why. For starters, I just get under here with my little pocket knife. I'm able to pop that out, as I recall. There it goes. It pops out on the inside edge because there's a little clip on the outside edge. So that's the last piece to come out, so you want to pop it from the inside out. Alright, I set that aside and I'll be back in a second. So you can see these are little tiny bulbs. They're T5 if you want to look for them on various sites. And the reason I blew the fuse the first time is I was trying to pull the plastic socket instead of just the glass bulb. I ended up smashing the bulb and shorting it out and blowing the fuse. So now that I know it's just the bulb, what I used to get it out, the other one out, was to put a rubber band. Sorry for not aiming the camera right. Put a rubber band around the bulb. Grab my needle nose pliers. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. And I just pulled it out. I am going to put the phone down so I don't break another bulb. Alright, so I pull the bulb out like that. I pulled the rubber band a little taut to make it a little skinnier and get able to get the needle nose pliers in there a little bit easier. But you can see how tiny it is. And now that it's out, I can put the LED in. So there's the LED, tiny as it is. Again, T5. The 5 represents the millimeter width of the blade. And these are, the ones I got are polarized, so if I don't put it in right the first time, it won't light up, and I'll just have to swap it 180 degrees. You don't have to put it in all the way to find out. It looks like it's not lighting. So I'll flip it and try it this way. Get a better view here. There we go. Push it in. Nope, didn't have it enough the first time, I think. Let's try that first position. Oh, I gotta put the fuse back in. Alright, I put the fuse back in after taking out the second bulb. I wanted to do that before I put the fuse back in. Again, it is 16 on my Countryman R60 2012. So it's the dome lamp there. So now I can get the LED bulb, try it in this position, see if it lights. Alright, let's flip it. They're tiny. There we go. So that one, it took me 2 tries, and then I push it all the way in to make sure it's in. Get my other bulb out of here. And put it in the other side. There we go. That one lit the first time. I didn't need to rotate it 180 degrees. So that's in. And then just snap these back on. Everything's more challenging with one hand. Put that outside tab, come on, it goes in there. It snaps in. And this side, maybe when I use my right hand, it'll go easier. tab goes in the slot, and the inside snaps on. And I've got matching LED lights on the mirrors that go with the other ones. You can see I replaced these two, pretty much everything with LED now. So happy with the results. I'll put a link in the for the bulbs that I bought on the internet, and hopefully this helps you. Bye.